One of the things that I loved about my course in particular was the diverse range of modules that were offered to students. This was great because it gave me the opportunity to learn a range of business-related subjects, which meant that my learning wasn't limited to just one topic area. Additionally, I found the course interesting and quite relatable because teaching staff would often use recent real-world case examples, which made learning all the more fun. For my dissertation, I conducted research on Bristol residents' recycling preferences. Having lived in Bristol for most of my life, I have first-hand seen on numerous occasions recyclable waste being disposed incorrectly, which not only is frustrating to see, but it's damaging the environment. Therefore, my research aimed to better understand residents' recycling preferences to see whether a change in strategy or the programme's features could support an increase in household recycling rates and ultimately make Bristol an even more greener city. After graduating, I intend on pursuing a master's degree in business analysis and strategic management to build upon my undergraduate degree, after which I'd like to work as a management consultant. Nevertheless, because of the diverse range of modules that are offered to students, you could go into a range of fields, whether that be consultant, project management, or something else. My choice to study at the University of Bristol was determined by a few key factors, including the excellent career prospects that follow, the fact that the University of Bristol is a Russell Group university, and because of the city itself, which is known to be vibrant and offers some amazing places to dine. Therefore, combining these factors together, I highly recommend the University of Bristol as a place to study because it's an incredible institution where you're guaranteed a world-class education.